Are you ready to embark on a journey that will shape your future? Introducing the Future Careers Bridge program, your gateway to endless possibilities. The Future Careers Bridge program is not just an educational program, it's a bridge to your dreams. We connect passionate young minds with industry experts, providing a unique platform for growth and learning.
Joining the Bridge program means joining a community of achievers. Hear from our success stories who have transformed their dreams into reality. Bridge is not just a program, it's a launchpad for your career. With Bridge, you'll gain real-world experience through hands-on workshops, connect with industry leaders, and develop the skills that employers are looking for. From resume building to networking, we've got you covered. Whether you're interested in technology, business, arts, or sciences, Bridge offers diverse opportunities tailored to your interests. Explore and discover your passion with us. Ready to take the first step? Applying to the Bridge program is easy. Visit our website at futurecareersbridge.com and follow the simple application process. Your future starts here. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join the Future Careers Bridge program and unlock the door to a brighter, more fulfilling future. Your journey awaits.